The photography workshop allows the students to do everything they need within the photographic process. So it's 3 stages from capture to post-production to output and print. So we have a studio environment. You can do portrait, fashion, still life. We have a digital darkroom which has the latest software for post-production and editing, and then we can output to print. In addition to that, we have a larger daylight studio which allows more elaborate fashion portrait shoots. We have a further studio which is for the Faculty of Design and Architecture for them to achieve fashion and product shots as well. The studio allows students access to high-end medium format digital cameras, industry standard flash and continuous lighting, equipment that isn't easily accessible due to the cost and budgets, but access to this equipment and the freedom to learn within this space, make mistakes, allows them to gain invaluable experience.
Having the techs on hand, and they are always on hand, they give us the freedom to try our own setups. The moment we get stuck, they're here to help us out. There's not a question I've asked yet that one of them doesn't know the answer to. It's pretty much universally agreed across the course that they're one of the biggest assets we have.
I think the most important thing that students can come away with is confidence. We try to encourage a kind of anything is possible attitude, because within the studio they're in complete control, and so anything is possible.